Good day guys, welcome to the channel. In this video we're talking about how to get admin commands in Steal a Brainrot in Roblox. So firstly let us go into the game, so type in Steal. Okay, go to this section, now navigate to the game and the experience and launch it. Alright, now I'm in the application of the game, let's launch the game. Alright guys, so as you can see I am now inside of the game. So what you want to do now is just navigate to the shop, and in the shop navigate to the game passes. And as you can see, we are looking for this admin panel, so you can get admin panel commands. Type in CMDs in chat for a list of commands, so you will be able to do much more things. So in order to get it, just press on, as you can see, this button, so you can just buy this for APs. Currently the cost is 5,300 APs. You just click on it, buy it, and you unlock your admin panel. And after that, you're done, guys. So enjoy. I'm getting punched in the face. Enjoy, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you soon in the next one, guys.